Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can check your data allowance or data balance in LycaMobile. So the easiest way would be to open your dialer and press star 137 hash. I repeat, star 137 hash, and then simply press the call button and you will receive the information on your remaining data allowance on your screen as a notification pop-up. So after that, what you can do is you can use your LycaMobile app as well. So you need to log in your LycaMobile app, and then you'll find your data balance in your dashboard. Also, you can use the website LycaMobile website as well. You'll have to use a browser and go to lycamobile.co, and then you'll have to log in, and then you'll see your data balance and other essential account information in the dashboard. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.